Hello guys, and welcome to a video about how to use Tschool, the portal, and Osiris, and maybe some other stuff. First, you log in at portal.nhtv.nl, and immediately you'll see that you have a personal page, a study page, an academy page, and an NHTV page. We'll start off with the personal page. The personal page is a fully customizable page, and where you can add content and remove the content. The way you add content is pretty simple. You press the big orange add content button, and here you'll see an enormous list with all kinds of links, roster, apps, whatever you can find. But basically now I have nu.nl, which is a news website, some useful links, my projects, quick access to Tschool, my applications, and a link to NHTV and Insight. We'll be discussing Osiris and Tschool in a bit, but first finish the portal itself. After the personal page you have the study page. At the study page you have a roster, your grades, your email, another link to your projects, and a list of classes you've been enrolled in. The way to change your roster is pretty easy. You go to the settings wheel, click custom, search for your class, in my case second year, International Bachelor, class 1, SLM, and press save. And there you have it, your roster. You can expand it to show the entire week by pressing the expand button, the extend, so to say. Your grades, of course, you can also extend them. But basically basic stuff. Here's the academy page. On here is the Tschool news. All kinds of stuff will be put here, like ill teachers, important news about the academy, information about exams, and so on and so on and so on. Please do check this from time to time because it might be important. Last but not least, the NHTV page. You know, opening hours mostly, and some basic information and helpful tips. For instance, a wireless network, classroom reservations. You know, some useful but basic stuff you might need. Well, back to the personal page. Let's start off with Tschool. Tschool is quite easy to use, in my opinion. Yeah, let's start with the top left, the workspaces. Most of the time you'll only be using info sources, my courses, and my projects, and the other ones I'm not even going to explain them today because I've never used them in the first year, to be honest. Let's kick off. Info sources is a nice page where you can find all kinds of info sources. Let's say I am English and I want information about the academy. Then I'll press the academy SLM, English, and then search the piece of information you're looking for. Let's say the study manual, and there you have it. Just press that one. You've got a nice paper with all kinds of information and everything you might need. After that we have my courses. And as you can see, you also have the course enrollment left here and my courses here. So we don't even have to press it, because if you press this you get this page. So I'll show you how to enroll in your course, which is necessary if you want to follow your course and see the presentations your teachers made during classes. So things you do: you press SLM, you go to your year and education, in my case logistics second year. Then you search your classes and things you need. Let's say financial accounting and AB costing, international bachelor. When you find it, you just press enroll. You get this little screen. Then you press enroll again. If for one stupid reason you want to cancel your enrollment, just press cancel enrollment. The courses you've enrolled in will all be shown in my courses here. Let me just refresh it. Oh, all. So. And all the new courses will be shown here. For instance, the thing I'm just enrolled in, financial accounting and A/B costing. As you could see, it was not started yet. And to start a course, you just press the big green button, and then all kinds of files will be shown. The lectures, test exams, and here the hand in assignment button. If you have to hand in assignments and the teacher says hand it in on Tschool, you have to do it there. It's the easiest way. But please, you know, if you want to check your lectures, they're there. They are there for you. Well, after a while you'll get an awful lot of classes here, and if you want to order them, the easiest way to do it, my advice to you will be to press these stars. If they are gold, then they're your favorites, and then you can filter them quite easily with favorites. And there they are. Well, after that you have the Tschool news, like on the Academy page of Portal. But we're not interested in that because I've already told you that. The important part here is my project. Since the NHTV does an awful lot of projects and we all like them, you just press that my project page, press OK, and here you get a list of your projects. There's a slight difference between the blue icons here and the green one. The blue icons are finished projects and the green ones are things you're busy with right now. You might have more of these lists or less depending on the year you're in. But let's say for instance we're talking about the first project you get in the first year. When you click on it, you get a start page of the project, the project coordinator and the coaches you have. Here you have a link towards your project documents with all kinds of important things you will need and will use. But another important thing is if you go to the left of your group, you see an arrow, press on it, and then you have some important pages. You have the changes overview page, which lists all the changes your group participants has made during the group time, for instance. So to say, I mean. So if you want to check like, hey, John made some changes yesterday, what did he all do? It's here. See if I can find it. Like 6 months? No, way before that. Okay. All the project participants, so basically your group, will be shown here on the project participants list. And if you need some space to work on, it's here, Wegruimte. Basically this is a kind of Dropbox-ish or Google Drive. And you can store all the files you want in here. So for instance your minutes, your agendas, etc. I would advise you to use this because teachers are also able to see this. And if they want to check your agenda or your minutes, and then if you want advice from them, this might be the best option for you. The other 4 things, yeah, you will not use it that much, so I'm not going to explain them. So, that was Tschool. You also have, yeah, it was not really Tschool, but okay. You have settings here. I advise you not to use it unless you're German or Dutch and you can't speak English. You can change some basic stuff here, but yeah, don't mind. It's fine as it is, and if you tweak it too much without having any experience on it, you might even ruin Tschool. So I advise you not to do this. Well, let's go on to Osiris. Osiris, the easiest way to access it is via the portal. You go to Personal, Applications, Osiris. You log in. Whoop. Then you go to your personal details immediately. Please remember to upload that passport photo. Like mine. Very nice, isn't it? Oh, it's horrible. Tutors, obviously you can see your coach / tutor. In my case, Natasha. with her general availability, her email address, etc. Well, off to the important parts. The most important things here are the register, the results, and the progress ones. On the register page you can register for your tests in the registration time, so to say. Period might be better. You only get 11 days, if I'm correct, to register for a test. So when that period is kicked in, then you go to Osiris to register, press test, test from your study program, and then here should be a list with tests you can register for. Just press the things and you'll be registered for it. All fine, and now you can do your exams. Everybody happy. If you for one stupid strange reason you want to deregister for your tests, you can do it on the deregister part. But if you want to see your results, go to results. If you want to see your progress, press either of these two to show it on your screen or to actually download the file. These two, are basically strange adaptations of the first one. And then you get another important one, the study program exemption requests. You choose your study program, and then you have a list of classes you can request exemption for, plus the reason. So if you have M&O, or were really good at math, or have a real good exemption reason, put it there and you might get exemption. You also have courses, but I don't really know where this is for, to be honest, and I've never used it, so yeah, why use it? Well, that's it for the most important things. I also like to add that you can use this website, NHTV.zimdo.nl, for the people who use agendas online, for instance Google Agenda. Go to this website, NHTV.zimdo.nl, choose your course and your class. Let's say 2IB SLM. There. I have no idea, not a single idea what this means. Seriously, no idea, but press it if you like it. Create that feed, and now you can easily add it to your Apple device, Outlook device, or your Google Calendar. Or if you want to do it manually, copy this link and paste it into your agenda. But the easiest way is to go to this, will be automatically added. There you are. It's in your agenda. Easy, right? Well guys, I hope you could make use of this video, like you learned some stuff. And if there are any questions, ask them in the comments or to me directly. And have fun at school. Cheers.